So hello friends, in the last video we have learned how to install MySQL system in your computer or PC or laptop, and now this time I'm going to check whether MySQL in my system is installed properly or not. And since we have already installed um, Python connector so that I can make the connectivity between Python and MySQL. So connector was also installed last time. So to run MySQL, I'm going to run MySQL start, and here I'm over here MySQL 8.0 command line client is already popping up. So I'm just clicking it. So as soon as I click this program or link, MySQL window gets loaded, and it is asking for the password which I gave that time when I downloaded MySQL and installed MySQL in my PC or my laptop. So here it is asking for the password which I have given that time while installing MySQL. So the password is here, and it is working properly fine. And so here you see MySQL is now running. As far as the interface is concerned, the look of this interface is quite dull, and uh, this cannot attract, or this cannot produce a zeal while working with MySQL. Though because though this is the background, backend tool. MySQL is the backend tool, and that is why we don't have to have any concern with the interface of MySQL. But yet, if you are working in MySQL directly, not in front end, so while working in the back end, we'll have to see this kind of interface. And this time I'm going to change, or going to give some tips so that you can make the changes in the interface of MySQL. So do this, you will have to click on this icon. This is leftmost icon, very tiny icon. I'll have to click and see here. We see a menu appears, and from this menu I'm going to select the properties, and here see there are so many options which may be useful for you. And I'm going to change the font. So as far as font is concerned, my font size is 16. So if you want to change, I'll take 18. So my font is font size is changed, and it downs to 18 from 16 to the layout and the colors, the front end, the back end, screen color. So here there are some options. Screen text color. So screen text color I am going to take like green. So it will look like, when you work in this, it will look like this. And background, screen background is black. And if you want to change the background, you can change as well. So if I take this present suits the background, so I'm going to take this is also dull. And on this, if I take this background present suit, so background I must take this, and then foreground or screen text I can take other one. uh, This also, I think, suitable. So I just say okay and click OK. Show some error, but doesn't matter. Click on OK. So your screen will look like this, and font size is bit increased. So see here, my SQL is working like this. So here is MySQL installed along with your Python connector. So I think you can make the changes in your MySQL. And again, I would like to suggest you that you learn with these videos, and if you like, then kindly share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, kindly subscribe. Thank you.